guys, it's your librarian, Mrs. Main, and today, September the 15th, is International Dot Day. So if you love to read like I do, pick up a copy of El Punto, or we also have the English version. It's called The Dot by Peter Reynolds. And in this book, Vashti is at an art class, and she has no idea what she wants to draw. And her teacher says, put a dot in the middle. And she stares at it. Vashti stares at it and stares at it and stares at it, but she's not sure. And then it comes to her, like a light bulb. She goes, well, I'm going to start making dots of all different colors. And so, today, on September 15th, your guys' turn to make a dot. And then I want you to draw what comes into your imagination. Or you can write a story around it. Okay? You can make your story into pictures with lines and waves. So this is my example of Dot Day. If you notice that I started right here in the green, and I thought I was going to do an ocean scene, but as my dots kept coming, I said I want to do a desert scene instead. So as I'm creating with my dots, it came to me what I was going to do and what the paper became. So today is your opportunity to use your dot to be creative, whether in words or in pictures. And I'll be putting this up outside on our National Day of poster. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.